Hello IELTS candidates, this is Usman, your IELTS instructor. In today's video, we are going to discuss questions which you may be asked in your IELTS test, which you are going to appear in August 2026. So this video is very important for all those candidates who are going to appear in IELTS test in this month because these questions are very favorite, as I told you earlier. In Before I answer these questions, I would like to inform you that I'm offering online platform for IELTS preparation. So if you are looking for online classes, you can contact me in comments and in my inbox. And second thing is that if you have not yet followed me, please click the follow button as well. So in IELTS speaking part 1, you will be asked 7 to 8 questions. And first 3 questions are about your personal information, like what is your name, where are you from, what do you do. So after asking these questions, the interviewer will introduce you to a topic, and that topic will belong to your experiences, your likes, dislikes, your preferences. Uh, about this topic, he will ask you 3 to 4 questions, maybe 5. And you need to understand that in IELTS speaking part 1, you are not supposed to talk in detail in your answer. You need to be concise in your answer. You should understand the topic of the or main point of the question. You have to address that point of the question, and you can explain that point in a sentence. So how you can do it? These are the sample answers. The question number 1 is, what kind of websites do you often visit? So the topic is about websites, and you are going to be asked about this topic for 3 to 4 questions. You can answer your questions in the comment section. I'm giving my answers which are standard for everyone. You can say, for example, I visit different kinds of websites, especially the official websites of the government departments, as everything has gone online in our country. So to get services like municipality, I have to visit their websites. The other question is, what is your favorite website? So you need to talk about a website which you often visit and you like their content. For example, you can answer this question, well, it's an interesting question, and I would like to talk about google.com, which is my favorite website. I often visit this website to get information about things which are important for me. And this is very popular website, I think, everywhere. The third question is, do you keep track of any change on the websites you visit frequently? So you need to talk about your observation ability, that whether you keep everything in that website in your focus. So you can say, for example, yes, I have been using this website google.com for past many years, and I have seen their updates which they made over the years. They have added recently icon for artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is there for everyone who use google.com. So this is how you can answer this question. The last question is, what kind of websites are popular in your country? So it is about your information, whether you know that which type of websites people often visit in your country. You can say, for example, well, those websites are popular in my country nowadays, which offer free features like editing facilities, because most of the teenagers use mobile phone in Pakistan, and they look for websites which are offering free services, because you know It's a poor country and developing one where everyone does not have enough resources to buy their features. So they will go for the website which offers free services. So this is how you can answer these questions. I hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can find detailed video about IELTS speaking. For example, you can learn tips and tricks to handle IELTS speaking part 1, part 2 and part 3. You will find there very helpful videos about IELTS reading, writing and listening as well. So stay connected for learning more. Thank you.